Hey there, prospective SC15 Tutorials attendee. My name is Rich Vuduk. I'm from Georgia Tech. I'm here with two of my longtime colleagues, Swedish Chef from the Culinary Institute of Technology in Stockholm. Hey, Swedish Chef. As well as Beaker from Muppet Labs in California. Hey, Beaker. Now, we've been working for years on various topics related to HPC, and we're absolutely thrilled to be attending SC15 to present a tutorial on advanced widgets for HPC. Beaker, maybe you can start us off by telling us who's the audience for our tutorial. Thanks, Beaker. That was extremely helpful. Now, Swedish Chef, can you summarize what our tutorial covers?
MCT RAM, energy, benchmarks, resilience, supercomputing.
Wow, thanks, Swedish Chef. That was a terrifically lucid description. Now, before we go, one more question for you, Swedish Chef. There are rumors that you actually aren't from Sweden, but in fact from Norway. You care to dispel or confirm these rumors?
Sweden, Norway.
Well, there you have it. So that's our tutorial on advanced widgets for HPC. Really looking forward to seeing you in Austin in November.